Some people are using this money move to quietly stack wealth in the background. No complex investments. No huge startup costs. No risky plays in crypto or real estate. Just one legal, highly profitable, and shockingly overlooked trick that's hiding in plain sight. And while everyone else is chasing flashy trends, a small group of smart people are leveraging this simple strategy to get rich without anyone noticing. Let's break it down, because once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Everyone misses this because it's too boring. In the world of finance flash sales, we're told to chase the next big coin, time the market, or go viral to win big. But the wealthiest people? They often win using boring systems that work consistently. This trick isn't loud, it doesn't require you to become a content creator. And no, it's not tied to any hot stock pick. Instead, it's built on one foundational idea. Income doesn't just come from effort, it comes from systems. And the money trick you're about to learn is pure system. What is the trick? Let's keep it simple. The overlooked strategy is this: digital asset compounding. Create or acquire tiny, automated digital assets that pay you repeatedly with no maintenance and zero dependency on your time. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant it once, water it a bit, and it bears fruit for years. These assets can be a Notion template people download daily, a simple online calculator tool, a bundle of Canva designs, an ebook that solves a niche problem, even an AI-generated product you give away for email leads. Each one may seem small, but here's the twist: they compound. The more you create or strategically acquire, the more your passive income snowballs. How the trick actually works. Let's say you list a $9 product on Gumroad. You drive organic traffic from Pinterest or Reddit. It sells twice a day. That's $540 per month on autopilot. Now repeat this with 5 similar products. You're earning over $2,000 per month without lifting a finger. It's legal, it's profitable, it's quiet. And here's why it's overlooked: because it doesn't feel dramatic enough to be real. We've been trained to believe that money only comes through hustle. But the truth is, smart money moves happen when systems do the lifting, not you. Why you don't hear about this more? There's no giant company pushing you to use this method. There's no ad spend. No trendy headlines. Just pure leverage hidden in the cracks of the internet. The people who know this don't flaunt it. Why would they? They're already earning. But if you pay attention to what the quiet rich are doing online, you'll find traces of it everywhere. Etsy shops with zero inventory. Info products that keep ranking on Google. Tiny websites earning affiliate income on niche topics. Email lists selling low-ticket digital tools. This is the new game: how to start with no money. Start by solving one small, annoying problem. Something like: how do I budget for college with a part-time job? What should I pack for a 3-week Europe trip? How do I track freelance income for taxes? Answer it with a 1-page PDF, a template, or a tool. Post it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Ko-Fi for free. Promote it through TikTok, Reddit Answers, or helpful YouTube shorts. Now replicate as traffic grows, so does income, and all without a single ad. The secret bonus layer: stacking systems. Once your first product runs itself, here's how to scale. Add an email list for upselling, cross-promote between products. License your templates or tools. Partner with affiliate tools your audience already uses. Soon, you'll have a quiet little empire built on digital leverage. All starting from a trick most people still don't see coming. The quiet win is the best win. You don't need to be loud to build wealth. In fact, some of the most successful income streams are built silently, without trends, without pressure, and without risk. This money trick is real, it's legal. And yes, it's wildly profitable. The only question is, will you take advantage of it before everyone else catches on? Because once they do, the quiet window closes. If this opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe for more secrets they hope you never discover.